Hey everyone! Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to make anime in Infinite Craft. So, let's get started. First things first. You have to take water. Then you have to add water to it. When you do that, it will make lake. Then you have to add fire to the outside bar. Then you have to add fire to the fire. When you do that, it will make volcano. Then you have to add volcano to the lake. When you do that, it will make island. Then you have to add island to the island. When you do that, it will make continent. Then you have to add earth to the outside bar. Then add the earth to the earth. When you do that, it will make mountain. Then you have to add mountain to the continent. When you do that, it will make Asia. The take island to the Asia. When you do that, it will make Japan. Then you have to add water to the outside bar. Then add the fire to the water. When you do that, it will make steam. Then steam add the Japan. When you do that, it will make anime. Voila! And that's how you make or create anime in Infinite Craft game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.